had my M50 for almost a year before I found out that you can control a number of things on this camera with an app on your phone. I was sitting there one day, stroking my beard, naturally, wondering if there was a way to do this. Wait, I know. I'll Google it. A quick search for how to connect Canon M50 to cell phone and I was off to the races. Now let me show you what I learned. The first thing you want to do is download the Canon Camera Connect app. The icon for it currently looks like this. Accept all the things, then click start, and now we move to the camera. Now click on menu and go to function settings. Select wireless communication settings, click into Wi-Fi settings and enable. This setting will work even if you're out and about with no Wi-Fi. Next, you'll want to go to Bluetooth function and select smartphone. You'll notice the pairing option won't show up here, and that's because I previously paired it to my phone. So let me unpair it so it pops up again for you guys. And there we go. Now we're going to head back to the phone and click Easy Connect Guide. Click on Connect a Camera for the first time. This is where you type in your device model, in this case, the EOS M50. Now you click OK. Is this your camera? Yes. Select Bluetooth as your connection method. Click Next on everything. Then go back to your camera and select Pairing so it finds your device. Choose your camera for pairing. Tap to pair and connect, and then click pair. Now you can see that a Bluetooth connection was established successfully. You can go ahead and click start, then it will take a few seconds to connect to your device. On this screen that is currently showing up as black, you'd normally have your photos and video gallery showing there, and you can open these up right on the phone. At the time of recording this, I had just cleared my SD card, so that's why it is just a black screen. So now that we're connected, there's a number of things that you can do. Currently, I'm in video mode and I've selected remote live view shooting. This brings up the camera view on your phone. Of course, I left the lens cover on. Let's just take that off here. There we go. What a handsome fellow. So from here, you can adjust your ISO. You can also adjust your f-stop, and you can adjust your shutter speed, as well as start and stop recording. And this is me giving a nice little wave to show off the recording that was initiated through the cell phone. And then here is the actual footage downloaded off the camera later on. The one thing that I really like about this app is especially specifically for taking photos. If you want to take a photo with the family, it is so nice to be able to just get everyone ready. And then when everyone is ready and smiling or whatever, you can hit that photo button and it takes the photo right away at exactly the perfect time. So you don't have to worry about like a 5-second or 10-second timer or whatever. I hope at least one person found this video useful. And if you did, go ahead and give this video a like. Hit me up with a comment if you have any questions. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.